Hello all you lovely people. Today we are making, you won't believe these cookies have no sugar and they taste amazing. These healthy cookies are made with sorghum and dates, perfect for weight loss. No all-purpose flour, no sugar, just healthy delicious cookie. Here are our fresh and wholesome ingredients and the calorie chart. Portion control is very important. Soak the chia seeds and dates to make them soft and easier to blend. Blend the dates into a smooth, natural sweetener. Now let's remove the date paste into our mixing bowl. Pour it slowly like this. And we're ready for the next step. Mix all the wet ingredients until smooth and well combined. Add the chia gel, milk and ghee. Stir until it's smooth. Combine all the dry ingredients for a flavorful base. Mix everything into a soft dough. Shape the cookies however you like. Bake until firm and lightly golden. Let them cool and enjoy anytime. Wait, before you scroll, hit like, subscribe and comment done so I know you're part of the family.